So what's going on, YouTube? So check this out. Let's do a little unboxing. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Goodies in here, guys. Okay. So this is, hey man, what's the camera, bro? A pair of bike shorts. Sweet. Nice. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. That's sweet right there, guys. Alright, let's put that aside. Let's go with I have two, I ordered two Scotties power lock rod holders. They're both for the Zulu. As you guys know, the Zulu didn't come with or doesn't come with flush mounted rod holders, so I ordered two of these guys. There's one. And there's the other one. I also ordered the extensions because I want them a little higher so I can keep the rod straight up instead of an angle when I'm not using them. So, oh, they feel pretty good. Yeah, man, I like that. On my other kayaks, I've never bought any rod holders because they come with two flush mounted rod holders, the Feel Free and the Zulu, or in the Kaku. So I got the adapter that goes on the track. That's coming too. That's not here. Didn't come in today. Take this one out. Put this one aside. A little thank you for the purchase for the shorts. Now this guy here. Been doing my homework. Camera logo. Been doing my homework because I wanted to buy the other one, but let me open it so you guys can see what it is first. Bam! Uh-oh. There it is, guys. The Hero 7. Now, I've been doing my homework, and I was thinking of getting the 8, or even possibly waiting to get the 9 late September or early October when it comes in, when they come out with it, the 9. But the 8, you cannot change the lens if it gets scratched. If you scratch the lens, it's history. The camera's no good. Yes, you could put a protector on it, but hey, I have one on my Hero 5. So they compare this one to the 8. It says the 7 is really good. The stability on it is amazing. The 4K is amazing on it. The Hero 7 Black. I love it. I got a bundle where you get the 2 extra batteries and a charger. The camera by itself is $249. And you get 2 extra batteries plus a charger. And little cloth to clean your camera, and a 32 gigabyte. Yep, 32. That came with the bundle, and I believe there should be 2 batteries in here. This USB cord. Put this aside. There's the charger, and there's 1 battery. So where's the second battery? It should come with 2 batteries. I believe the bundle said it came with 2 batteries. I would have to go check. Unless it's the one they were talking about, the one inside, but I could have sworn it was 2 batteries. I gotta check the order. I'm pretty sure it was a 2 battery bundle. I would have 3 batteries in total. I could be wrong. Hey. The manual, your instructions. A little stick-on clips, the USB cord. There's the other battery. But I could have sworn the bundle came with 2 extra batteries, not just 1. There's an extra clip there. So there it is. Now I have to wait for the adapters, the track adapters. They should be in, I believe, Wednesday, tomorrow or Thursday. I think it was. They said tomorrow. I have 2 coming and 2 of the extensions for the rod holders. If I don't like the extensions, I'll just return them and just use the rod holders by themselves. But there it is, guys. Can't wait to put this camera to work. Put it to use. The Hero 7 Black. I hear some good things about it. Alright, there it is, guys. Can't wait to put it to use. Some of those big snook out there in the Everglades. Okay, so check it out. I received my other package that I was waiting for. Packages that I was waiting for. Let's start with this one here. I believe these are the adapters for the Scotty rod holders. Could be wrong. Let's see what they are. Oh, yep, there they are. The gear head track adapters for the Scotty. Oh, this is for the Zulu. There's one. Put this to the side. And there's the other one. That's all I need is 2 rods. I take 3. Fish with 1 and have 2 on the rod holders. So I would say this is going to be the the extensions for the rod holders. There they are. If these don't work, I'm gonna return them. If they're too long, I'm going to return them because they are long. I thought they were going to be just a little bit shorter than that, but I remember reading what size they were on there. These are the extension, the gearhead extenders, the 429. Okay, so that is going to be long. So we'll see when I get all this put together. If it's just up too long, then I won't use the extensions on the rod holders. But I want my rod holders to be sitting straight up, and the butt of the rod is going to hit the kayak, and it won't allow me to do that. I believe. I'm not sure. We'll find out when I put all this together outside. On the Zulu. So there's that one. And it's one for each one. Again, if they're too long, I just return them. And there's the other one right there. I'm not gonna unbox it. It just got the parts in it. So, but this is the main thing right here. The Groovy landing gear. Excuse me. By Boonedox. This is the main thing right here for the Zulu. Where's my blade? So this box was already open, man. So I ordered these guys September 3rd, I believe. About 15 days. In 15, 16 days from Carolinas to here. It took them to send it to me. I had to call them and talk to them, remind them. I also had to send them an email because it didn't. 15 days later, I still haven't received my product. So, check it out, guys. These are the tires. These things are awesome, man. Wow. Freaking heavy duty, man. That is freaking awesome right there. These are the tires. More hardware. These are the legs right here for the tires. The arms, the legs, whatever you want to call them. Tires go on here. These go on the bracket that goes on the kayak. Some more hardware, some Loctite on there. These are the brackets to mount from the inside. I'm not sure how I'm going to mount this. I may mount it on the tracks, like this one guy in the Kaku page, the Kaku fishing page. He mounted it on the tracks. When I put the seat on it and I put the track, I'll see where I want to mount this one. I may mount it away from the tracks, so it gives me more room in the back. And here's the crossbar. So here it is, guys. I've been waiting for this sucker for, I don't know, 15, 16 days, something like that. And these are the bungees that hold the legs together from bouncing around when you're traveling, if you keep them on the kayak. So, starboard plate, 2 of them. I believe these go on the inside, or you can put them on the top if you need to adjust for your kayak, different kayaks. I've seen it on video on YouTube where they use them on top of the kayak, and they also cut them out and use them underneath the kayak to support the plastic on the kayak. So we'll see. I've never put one of these on. This is my first time. So there it is, guys. These are the instructions, and hopefully I can put them on today, or try to put them on today. And I'll make a video. It's not a how-to because I have no idea what I'm doing with this, but it's just a video of me putting them on. Maybe it'll help someone out there who decides to buy them and use them on their kayak. I have a trolley that I made for my Feel Free, and it works really good. I made it out of PVC, so I want to see how this one works, man. It looks heavy duty, looks really good, looks well made. So the crossbar is also a track where you can mount. So I'm hoping to mount the rod holders. Let me go over here a little bit. I'm hoping to mount the rod holders. Can't see it. I'm looking at the camera to see if I can see it, but I'm hoping to mount the rod holders on the track here, not on the tracks of the kayak, because I want them right behind the seat. I want my rod holders right behind the seat, straight up. So when I cast with my bait, when I cast, period, my bait cast or whatever rod I'm using, my rods are sitting directly behind my head, straight up. I want no interference with my casting. So hopefully that'll work. We'll see. Let me get this ready and go out there and see if I can put this together today. Stay tuned for that video, guys. Thanks for watching.